Hey there, and welcome to your first step into the fabulous world of feet pics. If you're pondering how to pad your pockets with pictures of your peds, then you are in the perfect place. Today, we will be diving into the beginner's guide to selling feet pics at FeetFinder.com in 2024. Let's go ahead and unravel the secrets to turning those toe shots into cash shots. Make sure that you are subscribed because you won't want to miss this totally amazing guide. To get started, stride on over to FeetFinder.com and sign up. It's as simple as tying your shoelaces. Remember, verification is a must to ensure everyone's safety and to keep the platform legit. You'll need to provide some basic info and a government ID to prove that you are the real deal. But don't worry, it's all secure. So register now, get verified, and you are ready to step into the spotlight with your splendid souls. Now, let's talk about crafting a profile that pops. Your FeetFinder profile is like your storefront. Make it inviting. Upload high quality images of your feet and don't shy away from showing off your unique style. Whether you're into sparkly sandals or if you have a flair for the artistic nail paint, let your feet do the talking. And yes, creativity here on this platform definitely counts. Mix up your shots with various settings and styles. Think like beach vibes, cozy socks, or even a little glamour shots with glitter. Capturing the perfect foot photo is an art. Natural light is your best friend. It literally flatters your feet like nothing else. Make sure that you experiment with different poses and props. Maybe a toe ring here, a splash of color there. And remember that variety is key. Offer your potential buyers everything from close-ups of your arches to playful poses with props. Your goal is to make those foot fanciers eager to see more. Engagement isn't just part of the game, it's where the magic happens. When interacting with your fans and potential buyers, don't just be friendly, make sure you add a sprinkle of allure. Respond to their curiosities with a wink of charm and maybe suggest something delightfully unexpected. How about teasing a glimpse of your latest shoot or even offering a sneak peek into custom content that's just too tempting to ignore? Remember, a playful tease in your conversation can set the stage for captivating sales. Let your charm and those irresistible feet do the talking, creating connections that are not only profitable, but also genuinely enjoyable. And that is how you kick off your journey with FeetFinder.com. From setting up a stunning profile to snapping sellable soul shots, you're all set to turn those clicks into real cash. Go ahead and dive in, start selling, and watch as your bank account gets just as attractive as your feet. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell for more insights on how to sell feet pics online. Walk into this opportunity with confidence. After all, it's all at your feet, literally. See you in the next video where we'll keep uncovering more ways to make your mark in the world of online sales.